Welcome back to the channel Auto Land. Today we are going to talk about the 2025 Bajaj Platina, a bike that has earned a special place in the hearts of daily commuters in India and many other markets. Bajaj has been known for delivering practical, reliable, and fuel-efficient motorcycles for decades, and the Platina is one of the best examples of that philosophy. The 2025 model brings some updates in styling, comfort, and performance while keeping the essence of what made it popular in the first place. If you are someone looking for an affordable and trustworthy ride, the new Platina might just be the bike you have been waiting for. Starting with the design, the 2025 Bajaj Platina carries forward its simple yet elegant commuter look but with a few modern touches. The front fascia now features a refreshed headlamp design with integrated DRLs, giving it a more premium feel. The graphics on the body are sharper and more vibrant, adding a bit of style without overdoing it. The bike continues with its long and comfortable seat, which has always been a strong point for the Platina, ensuring that both the rider and pillion enjoy a smooth ride even on longer journeys. The alloy wheels and sleek side panels give it a neat and purposeful stance, making it a bike that looks good without shouting for attention. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Bajaj Platina stays true to its commuter roots. It is powered by a refined single-cylinder engine that offers a perfect balance between fuel efficiency and enough power for city as well as rural roads. Bajaj has tuned the engine to deliver smooth acceleration and better torque at low RPMs, which means fewer gear changes in traffic and a more relaxed riding experience. The engine is mated to a slick shifting gearbox, making it easy for riders of all skill levels to handle. Fuel efficiency remains one of the strongest selling points of the Platina, and the 2025 version continues to impress with mileage figures that make daily commuting very affordable. Comfort has always been a big reason why riders choose the Platina, and Bajaj has taken it up a notch in the 2025 model. The bike now features improved suspension tuning with longer travel for the front telescopic forks and rear spring-on-spring setup. This makes it excellent for handling potholes, speed breakers, and rough village roads. The seat cushioning has been improved, reducing fatigue on long rides. The riding posture remains upright and natural, which helps reduce back and shoulder strain, making it ideal for older riders and those who spend a lot of hours on the road. In terms of features, Bajaj has kept things practical. The 2025 Platina comes with a semi-digital instrument cluster that provides all the essential information such as speed, fuel level, odometer, and trip meter. Some variants also offer a gear position indicator and service reminder. The bike is equipped with LED DRLs for better visibility and low maintenance. Braking duties are handled by drum brakes on both wheels in the base variant, while higher trims offer a front disc brake with CBS for added safety. Tires are designed to offer good grip in both dry and wet conditions, which is important for riders who travel in varying weather. Bajaj has also paid attention to durability. The Platina is known for being a low-maintenance machine, and the 2025 version uses corrosion-resistant materials and high-quality paint to ensure it keeps looking fresh even after years of use. Spare parts availability is excellent, and the cost of maintenance remains among the lowest in the segment. This makes it a perfect choice for those who want a bike that just works without frequent visits to the mechanic. Another big plus for the 2025 Bajaj Platina is its affordability. Bajaj has priced it competitively, ensuring it remains within reach for budget-conscious buyers, especially in rural and semi-urban areas. With rising fuel prices, the exceptional mileage of the Platina makes it a smart long-term investment. Insurance and registration costs are also reasonable, adding to the bike's overall value proposition. On the road, the Platina continues to deliver the same reliable and predictable performance that riders have come to trust. It is easy to maneuver through traffic, light enough to park anywhere, and stable enough for highway stretches at moderate speeds. The engine runs quietly, the gear shifts are smooth, and the suspension absorbs most bumps with ease. Whether it is the daily office commute, trips to the market, or longer weekend rides to nearby towns, the 2025 Platina is up for the job. To sum it up, the 2025 Bajaj Platina is not trying to be a flashy or high-performance motorcycle. Instead, it focuses on the things that matter most to its target riders: fuel efficiency, comfort, durability, and affordability. Bajaj has kept the updates subtle but meaningful, improving the bike in ways that enhance the riding experience without compromising its core strengths. It is a bike made for real-world conditions, and that is exactly why it continues to be a favorite among millions of riders. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Bajaj Platina. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest bikes and cars. Ride safe, take care of your machine, and I'll see you in the next video.